Let's talk about one of the most misunderstood aspects of lie detection: eye behavior. This is where movies, social media, and popular advice have created some of the biggest misconceptions. You have probably heard this before. If someone looks away, they are lying. It sounds simple, logical, and completely unreliable. Let's break the myth first. The idea that liars avoid eye contact has been repeated so often that people accept it as truth. But in reality, eye behavior is far more complex. Some people naturally avoid eye contact when they are thinking, nervous, or introverted, even when they are being completely honest. On the flip side, skilled or confident liars often do the opposite. They increase eye contact to appear sincere and trustworthy. So, right away, you can see the problem. The same behavior can mean completely different things depending on the person and the situation. Another common myth is that eye direction reveals lying. Like looking up means imagination or looking sideways mean deception. While this idea is popular, there is no reliable scientific evidence that specific eye movements consistently indicate lying. People look in different directions for many reasons: recalling memories, thinking, processing emotions, not necessarily because they are being deceptive. Now let's move to reality. What can eye behavior actually tell you? Instead of looking for a single tell, you focus on changes and patterns. For example, does the person's eye contact suddenly increase or decrease during a specific question? That shift can be meaningful not because it proves a lie, but because it indicates a change in comfort or cognitive effort. You might also notice blink rate changes when people are under stress or mental pressure. Their blinking can increase. In some cases, it may decrease temporarily as they concentrate. Again, this doesn't mean they are lying. It means something requires more effort or attention. Another subtle signal is eye blocking behaviors, like looking away, closing the eyes briefly, or rubbing them. These can sometimes indicate discomfort or a desire to disconnect from the situation. But remember, discomfort is not the same as deception. You may also observe staring or overcompensation. Some individuals, especially when they want to appear honest, may hold eye contact longer than usual. It can feel slightly unnatural, almost like they are trying too hard to convince you. Here's the key takeaway: eyes don't reveal lies directly, they reveal mental and emotional states, and those states need to be interpreted within context. So, instead of asking, are they making eye contact? Ask better questions. Is their eye behavior consistent with their normal pattern? Did it change at a specific moment? Does it align with their words and overall behavior? Because real lie detection is not about spotting one dramatic sign, it's about noticing subtle shifts and understanding what they might mean. As you move forward, you will stop relying on outdated myths and start observing eye behavior with clarity and precision. And once you do, you will realize the eyes don't simply show truth or lies, they show what's happening beneath the surface.